Yo, man, what's up with y'all, man? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy. Yes, sir. AKA Built on a Budget Junior. That's right, man. Hey, if you haven't already, man, please make sure y'all hit that like button for me, man. Subscribe to the channel and turn on all post notification bells so you never miss a drop. Yes, sir, man. Hey, y'all can see it, man. We back out here in the garage, man. We working on Sparrow, man. We gotta get this engine bay cleaned up. Yes, sir, man. Hey, only one step closer to putting the wire and harness on, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get into this video. So make sure y'all hit that like button for me, man, and y'all stay locked. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, we back right here where we left off yesterday. Yes, sir. Man, hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yeah, y'all see that cold Gatorade. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, right? But I see I see what y'all be talking about, man, like those who have the engine bay cleaned up and stuff like that. Man, I ain't see all this space, man, since I first did the swap, bro. Like that joint like got so much space in it, I don't know what to do. You know what I mean? But I tell you what we gonna do. Y'all see we got it all dirty, so what we gonna do, we gonna wipe them down, clean them up so we can get some spray on them. Man, and I really wish, I'm trying to figure out how I wanna do this. Cause my so I can drain the water out the radiator and so I can paint that stuff right there, man. I'm trying to figure out how to do it, cause if I push the car out the garage, I don't know how I'm gonna push them back in. I don't know how, cause it's on I mean, I can push it to the edge of the garage and then it just run down. Ain't nothing but water in it, you know what I mean? So OSHA, ain't nothing but water. Ain't nothing but water, ain't no coolant. That's why I be telling them, that's why I said what I said in my video. Them boys be showing off, them boys be riding with coolant in their LS swap. And got water in their daily driver. Hot dog. Hey, make that make sense. Man, but yeah, man, let's get, hey, we about to clean this stuff up, man, so we can get the paint. I need to see what I'm gonna do with these wires too. These ain't nothing but my, I don't too much want to unhook it. That way I can just, you know, hook it right back up. But these my fan wire, my fan relays and stuff like that. So until I figure out what I'm gonna do with, how I'm gonna route the wires for my fans, I don't want to unhook it. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, let's get to it. Alright, I got me some Super Clean diluted. Yes, sir. Shout out Super Clean. Hey, we're doing a giveaway soon. Super Clean giveaway soon. Hey, y'all stay locked. Yes, sir. Man, y'all see my little brush down there. Alright. So let me get some more light down there. Oh, my bad, y'all. I put the bulb in the light, in the camera. But yeah, y'all see. Let me see if I can get my light right. But yeah, we trying to get down there clean. Y'all see all that rust and stuff down here? Try to knock it down at the bottom, cause it's a hole right here, so yeah. Alright, let's get to it.
It's 84, Cuddy in the photo. Miss my father-in-law so much. I had to name my car Sparrow, cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride to the beach, and it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap. Cutlass, call him Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again. Head down south, yeah, we flying to the low country. That ain't for three.
Hey, I bet you ain't none of y'all body bushing they ain't gonna look like mine. And no sir, those are not cracks at all. Bet you ain't none of y'all body bushing look like mine. 1984. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
It's 84, Cuddy in the photo. Miss my father-in-law so much. I had to name my car Sparrow, cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride. right. To the beats and it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap. Cutlass, I call them sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car sparrow on the damn move again. Head down south, yeah, we flying to the low country. That 843, yeah, that's me 84 photo. Colors flying high, sparrow name we trust. Name we trust. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, your screen, yeah. Yeah, up on your screen, say, yeah. Yeah, we flying to the low country. That 843, yeah, that's me 84 photo. Colors flying high, sparrow name we trust.
Alright, let's spray them down. Leg gate. Leg gate. Got me a rag.
Be up on your screen, say yo, yo, yeah, yeah. It's 84, Cuddy in the photo. Miss my father-in-law so much. I had to name my car Sparrow, cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride. To the beats and it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap. Cutlass, I call them sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car sparrow on the damn move again. Head down south, yeah, we flying to the low country. That 843, yeah, that's me 84 photo. Colors flying high, sparrow name we trust. Name we trust. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, your screen, yeah.
What y'all think? Y'all think that's clean enough to start putting some paint on them? Y'all know I'm gonna use my scouring pad. I think that what it called. But y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna use that first. And then slap some paint on them, son. Yes, sir. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, let's get it. We ain't need much. Let's go.
Be up on your screen, say yo, yo, yeah, yeah. It's 84, Cuddy in the photo. Miss my father-in-law so much. I had to name my car Sparrow, cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride. To the beats and it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap. Cutlass, I call them sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car sparrow on the damn move again. Head down south, yeah, we flying to the low country. That 843, yeah, that's me 84 photo. Colors flying high, sparrow name we trust. Name we trust.
Alright, y'all, we got that a little scuffed down. You know what I mean? Even that's where the old battery tree, that's the old battery tree. Even we got all the, well, I wouldn't say all, but majority of the rust out. We ain't trying to make no short call. We just trying to make it look a little better than it did. That's all we doing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta clean up still back there. I'ma still clean up my my brake booster. But yeah, this right here is starting to look good. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, we getting somewhere. Let me up the camera right there. Yes, sir. We getting somewhere, y'all. Yeah, man. Getting hot out here now, though. I ain't even gonna lie. Sheesh. Time to take a break, bo. Time to take a break. You better listen to your body. Even if your body don't say take a break, shoot, you better know when to take a break in this heat. Talk to me.
Later that same evening.
In the sky, that's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride to the beach, and it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap. Cutlass, call them Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again. Head down south, yeah, we flying to the low country. That 843, yeah, that's me 84 photo. Cutlass flying high, Sparrow name we trust. Name we trust. Oh, yeah, yeah. Roll your screen, yeah. Yeah, roll your screen, say, yeah. Yo, we flying to the low country. That 843, yeah, that's me 84 photo. Cutlass flying high, Sparrow name we trust.
Well, y'all, look what we got. Boy, we doing good. I done scuff them up. I done scuffed the brake boost up. I done scuffed that up a little bit. I done touched that back there a little bit. Right up in here a little bit. Of course, I done did all this right here, as y'all seen earlier. But yeah, I done went ahead and I done scuff up that right there a little bit. Like I said, I wanna wait probably till I take the car down, man, push it to the edge of the garage, so I can let the water out the radiator. I do got a bucket I can drop it in, but I don't know how much water gonna fall, cause you got water in the motor or the engine, and then you got motor in the radiator too. So, you know what I mean? I don't know how much water gonna come out of it, so I'd rather go ahead and push it at the edge that way, in case my cup runneth over. You know what I mean? Man, y'all see my doggone dollar store, not my dollar store, my thrift store lamp. Look how it show. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Let me show y'all the other side. Oh, that's that dirt. That's that rust that came from out that, from right here. That's that rust. And I told y'all, look at it. Like I told y'all. Ain't nobody body bushing looking like that. This is 1984 now. I ain't never changed them. And I doubt it ever been changed. But yeah, let's go to the other side. I gotta grab my lamp too. Hold on. Alright. Where are we on the passenger side? Y'all see how clean we got it? I done wipe them down. Yup. Done wipe them down. I ain't scuff them up yet on this side yet though. I just finished wiping it down and stuff like that. But yeah, man. This right here getting changed out. Got a brand new one. Yeah, man. Y'all see how it look? Let me see if I can show y'all the body bushing on this side. Hold up. I'm trying to show this. Hold up, y'all. Alright, y'all. Let me show y'all the body bushings on this side. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Let me see if I can get in a little closer. Hold up. And I got so much stuff still in the way. Cable. Falling down and all, but y'all see it, body bushing still look good, and no cracks in it, none of that, I can't get right, but y'all see it, but yeah, man, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one, man. Hey. Boy, hot out here, boy. I did good today. Hey, man. Like I say, man, I think this a wrap. Man, it's hot out here. Man, see, flies flying around now. Hey. Time to take it on in. Man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all support, man. Hey, if you haven't already, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel. And make sure you turn on all post notification bell, man. Hey, stay locked, man. Hey, you dropping them. You gotta get Sparrow back on the road. And man, I hope y'all have a good one, man. Till the next one, man. Y'all stay locked. Like I said, we out.
We trust. We trust.